Hi everyone, welcome back to Twin Buds. Today we'll make chicken clear soup. For this recipe, we will need 2-piece chicken legs, 1 small onion, few pieces of chayote, one carrot chopped, some coriander leaves, 1 potato chopped, a knob of garlic, a small amount of soaked peas, and a spoon of rock salt. Now let's add all the ingredients to the pressure cooker and cook it in a slow flame until the chicken is completely done. Now let's add salt, whole onion, whole garlic, some potatoes, green peas, coriander leaves, carrot and chayotes. Let's add all these ingredients and pressure cook. And now remove the onion and garlic from this. Chicken clear soup is now ready to serve. Chicken clear soup is now ready to serve.